guys, it's my first time to show my face while vlogging, so I have something to share. I found this online, and this is invention of I just found it on Facebook. I watched the they call this the hacks, life hacks, and then I found this. It's made from China, and I'm so very curious. That's why I bought this. So I'll show you how it works. This is a mobile phone video amplifier. So when you put your cell phone in here, can widen the screen. I don't know how it works, but I'm so amazed when I saw that. So I decided to buy one. So I have color red and I bought color white also. This is nice. So nice. So nice. I'm a Filipino, but I have watchers from India and Israel, and I don't know. I just found it on YouTube. They call this the YT Jerva. So this white and red, so nice. So this is how it works. I don't have I did not bring my ring light. That's why I put my cell phone here on the wall like this. Look, I will show you. See, I just put my cell phone on the wall using this tape. So I'm charging my cell phone there. Look, using this tape. This is so very nice. I like it so much. I use this when putting. This is a double-sided tape. I just bought online, and maybe this is from China also. They are very good in doing something like this. Well, let's try. I decided to speak English now because I have watchers from different places, but I'm a Filipina, so okay, I will just maybe Taglish. So this is from China, and this is how it works. You will open this like this. Can you see me? Can you see me? Oh gosh, you see my pores? So we're gonna put it like this, and then here at the back you will put it up, and here, wow, if you have a table you want to lift it up, and there's a stand in here. So nice. So it's me. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi, it's me. Okay, I will put myself in here. Let's see if it's working. Mababawasan ang malalapit na mata sa screen ng baby nyo. Ito, para hindi masyado lumago yung mata. Pwede ito sa mga lolas. So this is, I will show you a video from siguro Chinese din, kasi my son always watch Chinese cartoons like this. He knows also how to sing Chinese. Oh, maybe he's awakened. I'll show you. I'll just put myself in here, and I'm gonna play it like this. Okay, I will put it here. And tada! Can you see it? Oh gosh, sorry about that. Oh. Tada! Let's see. Wow, so nice, right? I love it. Wow. It works. See? You can see me. Hi, Grandma. I think you need this, Granny. So, I bought this only for 230 pesos. So you have a instant tablet goods. So I will just put it there. I did not buy this online, but I just buy it from the marketplace on Facebook. So maybe I can put here under the name of the shop. So if you are interested in this, it's so very nice. It's a very nice gift for Christmas or birthday for Lola. And I think you're gonna love this. So nice. You can hide this so you can protect it like that. See? So thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube account. Thank you.